Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's March, National Nutrition Month. This year's theme is Beyond the Table. It's about our relationship with food, how we shop, cook, and how it makes us feel. Get ready to level up your nutrition game. Let's do this. Alright, challengers. First up, meal planning. It's about setting yourself up for success. Start by checking what you've got in your pantry. Jot down your meals for the week, ensuring a balance of fruits, veggies, proteins, and whole grains. Next challenge, embracing the rainbow on your plate. Different colored fruits and veggies pack unique nutritional punches. Think of it like assembling a superhero team. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with vitamins. Orange and yellow superstars like carrots and sweet potatoes. Hello, vitamin A. Get creative, experiment with new recipes, and make your taste buds sing. Let's talk mindful eating. Be present and savor each bite. Notice the flavors, textures, and feelings. Are you hungry, or just bored, or stressed? Tuning into your body is a game changer. Want to conquer those late night cravings? Become a meal prep master. Chop veggies, cook quinoa or brown rice, grill chicken or tofu. Prepped meals make sticking to your goals easier. Time to get culinary. We're not talking complicated recipes, just simple swaps that make a big difference. Ditch the deep fryer and embrace healthier methods like baking, roasting, grilling, or sautéing. These methods retain nutrients and bring out amazing flavors. Alright, challengers, it's time to conquer the grocery store. It can be daunting with tempting treats and processed foods. Before you set foot in the store, make a list and stick to it. This helps you stay focused and avoid impulse buys. Now, let's talk strategy. When you hit the grocery store, head for the perimeter. This is where you'll find the freshest, most nutrient-dense foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and dairy. Stick to the edges, and you'll have a healthier cart. Time to channel your inner detective. Reading food labels is crucial for informed choices. Check the nutrition facts and ingredient list. Look for lower sodium, sugars, and unhealthy fats. Remember, the shorter the ingredient list, the better. We've all been there. You walk into the grocery store for a few essentials and come out with a cart full of impulse buys. But with a well-planned list, you can resist temptations and stick to your healthy eating goals. Don't let anything derail you. Bulk up your savings. Smart shopping strategies. Time for some smart shopping strategies. Buying in bulk is cost-effective and sustainable. Look for grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in bulk bins. These ingredients make it easy to prepare nutritious meals. Chapter 11. Move your body. Challenge accepted. Alright team, let's get moving. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, biking, or hitting the gym. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. Mix it up. Challenge your muscles. Don't be afraid to switch things up. Variety is essential for a well-rounded fitness routine. Challenge different muscle groups and keep things interesting. Incorporate strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. Don't forget the power of rest and recovery. Level up your nutrition game. Thanks for watching. Healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about progress, not punishment. Nourish your body with good food and feel your best. Keep experimenting, challenging yourselves, and having fun. If you stumble, don't sweat it. We all do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.